What's going on, YouTube? It's AJ coming in for A&J Design. And I know it's been a while, but yeah, do a video. First off, I would like to thank all you new subscribers for subscribing, finally getting me to 500. Now I just need you guys to go splurge on my videos, get me up there to the watch hours. I think what is it, 3,000? So I think I got 500 watch hours, which is crazy. They don't count the past videos, which, I got the most views. But, just go splurge my recent videos, and, get me up there. So because that motivates me, getting monetized, and I'm able to make a profit. So, and that motivates me to turn around and do more videos. Other than that, that's why I be just so slow. I just be like, what for? They put commercials on my videos. Excuse me, I'm outside, as you can tell, it's cold. They're able to get a profit from me, but I don't get a profit from them. And I don't ask you guys for money. Go watch the videos within the past year. Let's go make this happen. But to you new subscribers, the old ones that stuck with me, I want to say y'all thank you. I got past that part. So, but yeah, let's get to it. There's going to be 2 videos. I'm not going to show you all my work because this go time because I gotta kind of be craftful. But yeah, I'm gonna be adding another battery, the second battery here. Yeah. This video's about it. I got the tray, the second battery tray here. I'm gonna install that. I got the my welding wiring that I use. I had this wire in this garage for over 5 years, and look at that. This is impressive. Still in really good shape. It's been in the garage 5 years just sitting. So I got that. What else? I got to clean these terminals off because of corrosion. But these the same terminals that's been in here when I first did the big 3 a long time ago. So I'm gonna clean these off. Or the lugs, not terminals, the lugs, the wire lugs. So clean that off, I'm gonna make this even better because it's rust and there's moisture up in there. So I'm cleaning that out. Got the terminals, I gotta figure that out, which way I wanna have it, because these are the new terminals. There's the North Star battery, that's out, that was dead. One of the terminals I stuck on it, plus that was a 6-post. I don't need all of that because I just nothing from here is going to be run to the back. I already got, like I said, I got 2 alternators. I got lithium in the back. This is my 16 volt alternator. So this gold, as you see, runs in the back. I'll probably do a second run. Oh my God, people want to do my second run. That's coming soon. I haven't made my mind up because I'm just doing 12. I'm not even doing 12K. So, but we'll see. I know more runs equal, you get better voltage. So amperage too from your alternator, but I usually go by the amperage of the wire. So, but we'll see. But this is the stock alternator, and as you see, I still just kept the big 3 on here. So so I'm gonna still do that. Unfortunately, I had to get an acid battery. I got another acid battery. North Star, I didn't even know, went out of business. And the other batteries, I was looking for the 3478, if I'm correct. The battery's almost $400. And if y'all go look at my videos, I know I always run 2 batteries. Always. A 2 battery guy. So, and I had $800 to buy two of those batteries. So I got the acid batteries I will be upgrading soon. Got to figure that out eventually, because I like the side post and the top post for both. I could have over there just got the top post battery. We'll see next when I get the AGM's batteries in the future. But this actually did well for me when it was really cold this other weekend. It was like -30. So started up the truck. It wasn't that, hey, if anybody was here in Illinois, I know if you don't got no newer model car, struggling, but it did the job. So kudos. But I got to kind of figure out me running this wire, in the back here, all the way over there. Y'all know I like to try to be neat. So I have to come through here. It's a tight squeeze here. So yeah, I gotta be a little crafty here. So it's gonna take me a minute. Got to take the old tray off right there. That's still on there. So I'm not fit to show that. That's gonna out. So I'm just gonna show you the end results. It's not guarantee you, as I'm saying to you guys now, is how it's going to look in the end product. So who knows? It's got to be a little creative with this, but who knows? It could be fast. I'm hoping for that. So, like I said, it's kind of cold out here. Snow still out here. Plus, it's been raining, so crazy weather. But I don't want to make either video long. I want to get straight to the point, telling you what I'm gonna do, and then y'all see the end results on the next video. So stay tuned. All right, guys.